Yeah, boy. So we just took up the fucking storm. Beautiful little area. Now we're navigating our way through 50 centimetre water back to the boat ramp, but we just got our crab pots in. There's that fucking beauty of a fucking storm that's just come through. Have a look at it. Back up here, you can see Ant in the background there. We're just navigating through. Back to the boat ramp, just up here. What we've done here is we've removed all the crab bodies, ready, and just got the meat of the 3 blue swimmers we've just caught. And this is about to be cooked up. All we've added in is a bit of seawater, some garlic powder, and some Himalayan rock salt. Currently got the seawater cooking up, a bit of garlic powder, some Himalayan rock salt and pepper. Okay, we're about to put the timer for the crab tools. Timer's there. About to put these in the pot. Here we go. Stand by. Straight in. As you can see, minus all the crabs have been cleaned. Lid goes back on. Timer's on. 10 minutes. Let's go. You can see already they start to change colour pretty much straight away. Grab the ice slurry, ready to go. As soon as they're cooked for 10 minutes, straight in the ice slurry. Put a bit of water in there, good to go. As you can see here now, 8 minutes out. The flooded to the top now, and ice slurry, good to go. You can use a sink, you can use a container. We just use a sink for ease. You've got the plate ready to go. They'll stay in there for 10 minutes in the ice slurry. But yep, look at that. Smells absolutely amazing. Right, here we go. Ready to go. Take the lid off. It smells amazing. We're going to put the hot water straight into the alternate hole in the sink. And the crab's going to come straight out of there, straight into here. Look at that. Oh. Straight out of there. Mind you, I'm doing this left-handed. And then straight into this slurry. This will be the same amount of time in the slurry as they were in the pot, so it stops cooking. Right, here we go. This slurry's finished. Now we'll go through, break out the meat, and probably do all the fun part that normally everyone does, but we'll just serve up all the meat on a plate. It's a different way of doing it. How enjoying this boils. This beautiful crab meat. Amazing. Safe boating. Here we go. I lost my freaking hat before. Looking at just pulling up here and having a bit of a swim. Whew. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, it's in a bit of a channel. We've just got to anchor it off up here. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Fix me here. Oh, can't beat this. Bernie's just over here. We could go for a bit of a swim over to Bernie's boat. Fucking pretty nice, hey? Bernie's on here. Got a jumper. It's only a little light sinker.
Yeah. Little whiting.
Bernie's on.
He's a good one. Fucking keeper. Bloody keeper, that one, Bernie.
What was that, on squid?
Yep.